Hi everyone, thank you for clicking onto this video. In this video I will be showing you how I did this entire makeup look. It's so hot here. All of the products that I use I will list down below in the description box if you're interested in using what I used. I don't want this intro to be too long. This is a SWEATPROOF makeup look. Different. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy, and I will see you in another video very soon. Enjoy. First, I start by priming my face with a mattifying primer, and the primer that I am using is the Makeup Forever Step 1 primer, which is the mattifying one, and I just apply it to the center of my face and then rub it all over. Then I apply my eyelid primer. This is the NARS Bulletproof, I believe. I'm gonna put the name somewhere around here of this primer. You don't have to use the exact products that I'm using, but I prime first pretty much. Then I fill in my eyebrows first. You don't necessarily have to do this step first. You can fill in your eyebrows last. The products that I'm using for my eyebrows are one, the e.l.f. eyebrow pencil, and I'm using a gel brow product from MAC Cosmetics. If you want to see a full tutorial of how I do my eyebrows, I will link a video down below. This is the palette that I'm using for my eyeshadow look. It is the Lorac Shine Bright Pro palette. I start by applying this grayish brown shadow all over my lid using a fluffy brush, and this one is called Smoked Plum, and I'm applying it all over my lid. As you can see, it has a little shimmer to it. Then I apply this aqua shimmery green into the inner to about halfway of my lid, and this one is called Atlantis, and I'm just using a flat eyeshadow brush and I'm pressing the shadow into my eyes. And then I went into this really nice midnight blue color, and it's called Azure, and I'm applying it on the outer corner of my eye, the outer V, and I'm just going to blend it all together, as you will see. You can create the same look but not using the same colors. You can use your own colors but follow the same steps. Now this shimmer shadow that I'm applying on the middle of my eye, this one is called Fizz, and I'm just applying it to the center of the lid and just blending it out. You can skip this step if you want to, but I like that part. Now that my eyes are done, every other step that I completed on my eyes, I did off camera. Obviously, I just added some liner on the top of my lid and onto my lower lash line, and some mascara. And now I am just applying my foundation to the center of my face. This is how I like to apply makeup when I'm in a warm climate or when I'm in Guyana, because the place is so hot, so you don't want to apply foundation all over your face because it will melt and you will look a mess. Now I'm just applying my concealer under my eye, and this is the Milani Conceal and Perfect Longwear Concealer, and the color is Warm Chestnut. I do have a video on this. I will link it down below for you to check it out. I really do love this primer. It's so nice. So I'm setting my primer with white translucent powder, and it is the RCMA translucent powder, which is a very beautiful powder. It's a very nice finish, and I'm just going to be blending that out with a brush, as you should see. Now I'm applying my face powder all over, and I'm using a loose setting powder, and it is the Bare Minerals loose setting powder. I will link it down below so where you can find it. I applied my blush off camera, some apricot blush, and it's a peach blush, and peach is really nice for darker skin girls. It looks beautiful on us, and it warms up our face. And I'm just applying my lip gloss, which is the L'Oreal lip gloss. I can't remember the name. I will link it down below. And that pretty much completes my look and completes this video. I do hope that you enjoyed this little tutorial and you will try it out. You don't, like I said, you don't have to use everything that I use. You can just follow the steps and use your own colors. Alright, God bless you, and I will see you in another video very soon. Enjoy, take care, subscribe.